Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add motion blur video effect just for overlay. Alright, so go to media and select the background and select the overlay, put on the another clip. So click on overlay, and then you can go to effect. So select this lines, scroll down until you find a motion blur, just download it. Alright, but before I'm going to remove the background on the overlay. Just click cut out and auto cut out. Then I'm going to resize and select the motion blur, just add the type, export duration, and how you can add the motion blur effect just for overlay. You can select overlay and effect, and then right click, select create open clip, go. That's how you can add the motion blur just for overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.